What would this car look like if the fenders were body color? Well, let's find out. Yo, what's going on, guys? Key here, and I want to welcome you to this episode of Kees Cars, the place where I take car photography into Photoshop, and with a little bit of imagination, hopefully at the end, we come out with something pretty cool. So let's get right into it. So that was actually a little bit easier than I thought it was going to be. But I have to admit, now that they're body color, these fenders in particular, they look kind of strange, I think. I have to ask the question then, because these are just kind of tacked onto the side of the car, is there maybe a plan to do a different fender when they come out with the STI version? I'm going to lean towards I don't think there is, but it would be cool to see if there was a completely different fender that's still body color, what that would look like. So buckle your seatbelts, pedal to the floor on the like button. Thank you so much for subscribing. We are getting ready to key the 2022 Subaru WRX and maybe give it a little bit of an STI flavor. Let's go. All right, this gives me a lot of hope, especially for the aftermarket. Even if Subaru does not do any body color or do anything different as far as the fender flares go on the STI variant, man, there's so much potential with this when you get to the aftermarket, and that's the part that I'm interested in. So what do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great, blessed day, and take care. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.